Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our Cappuccino with Kontron for customers and partners. So I'm very happy to have you with us today, where we have a very interesting topic this time. I have the honor to have with me Patrick Zunke, who is actually the responsible guy for any applications, mobile private networks based on 5G. And today he is going to show us where we have already implemented them, what were the success stories, and what were the applications we are showing. That's why I will hand over to Patrick immediately for his presentation. Thank you, Patrick.
Thank you, Franco. A warm welcome, and yes, thank you very much for today's joining our session, Cappuccino with Kontron. As Franco already said, let's have a dive into the installations and let's say some updates. I think we have some really interesting topics for you regarding 5G MPN. So let's start. Looking at the Kontron 5G universe for portfolio, you see this is what we will look deeper into today. 5G mobile private networks with an industrial focus, but sure you know all about our portfolio, starting with network access devices, M.2 models, 5G gateways, 5G management system and device management system. And of course, you have heard about our 5G future railway mobile communication system. So what's it all about? You find Kontron, let's say, in a lot of slices of your life, from railway technology, from, let's say, agriculture machines, automotive sensors and modules, up to green tech. And as said already today, we will have a look into industrial automation via 5G mobile private network. So before we start, why choosing a Kontron private 5G MPN? I would say the most important topics are that we offer via an end-to-end installation lower TCO, and that you get end-to-end. That means a turnkey solution. If you look on our offer, we have, as already mentioned shortly, a broad portfolio regarding the M.2 models and devices. We do have our own radio access network equipment, but we are flexible here. When it comes to solution, we have our truly Kontron 5G standalone core. And we do have, as already mentioned by Franco, applications from mission critical applications to all sorts of applications. So, as already mentioned, let's give you an update and let's show you our references. So you can see here on the right side, starting with our universities, like our newest deployment in Germany, which is Technische Hochschule Rosenheim. That was going live in just January this year. We do have projects in Ljubljana with the university. Just to mention, there is application for broadcast being developed in the a few weeks ago. We do have our projects within transportation, like in Paris or with Deutsche Bahn. We do have brand new flow networks from USA. So you can see it's a bright variety of solutions we have been provided in the younger past. Also a very important topic that Kontron is contributing is time-sensitive networking, TSN over 5G. So we're really proud to announce here today and show you our proof of concept cooperation that has been done with in cooperation with SoftBank, with Comcore, Intel. This is really important step regarding industrial 5G. To give you an idea what we have achieved in the US, we were talking, or I was just shortly presenting that we have a new customer, Flow Networks. And what has been very interesting about Flow Networks is that we have a different business model here. So this is a subscription model, and you can see this brings us in a really speeding up position when it comes to deployments. As already mentioned, Technische Hochschule, which has a focus on industrial cases like AGV management, implementing automated guided vehicles. It's also the basis for what they call Protolab in Rosenheim, where they utilizing 5G to connect and control various machines in the Protolab. Very interesting case. And AI-driven resource optimization, which is all impossible by the 5G MPN. When it comes to partnerships, we do offer different models. So it's Kontron as an end-to-end solution provider, as we have done it with the first mobile private network in Slovenia for chemical plant Cinkana Celje. We can work together as a 5G core provider to integrators. This is something that is gaining speed, especially in Germany now. Or we do have the possibility to work with you as an agent or a distributor. Yes. And of course, when you look into like agent or distributor, it's important to have support on sales, marketing, training, and these topics. So I would like to share with you some customer feedbacks. You can have a deeper look and closer look when you look in our webpage. So you can see about the deployment in Cinkana Celje. Let me just mention this was a project where we especially had to cover some large areas as well outdoor, which was with 5G technology also coming from a calculation the best solution for the customer. As already mentioned and look deeper into, we have deployed our 5G campus at TH Rosenheim. And last but not least, I'd like to mention our 5G smart factory in Augsburg. Actually, there you have also the possibility, if you are interested to see 5G live at work, to come to us and have the possibility to see it live in Augsburg. So let me take the chance to introduce to you our 5G all-in-one starter box. This is really the possibility to easy start into the 5G world. And as you can see here, we do have a really interesting price. So maybe this is something you might want to have a closer look after the session and see if this is an offer that might be your first step in the 5G MPN world. As I have mentioned, you are invited to join or to have a look, better said, on the Kontron web pages. Please do so. We have really put a lot of effort in this page, and you get all the information and have the possibility to have a closer and deeper look into the 5G Kontron world. So thank you very much. This was our view into what have our update on installations and developments. I'd also like to invite you, if you should join the Hannover Messe this week. We are happy to see you there at the 5G Wireless Arena together with the 5G Asia Council we are part of. Thank you very much, and happy to get your questions.
So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the chat box. Otherwise, if you would like to have this presentation, send us a short email to cappuccino@kontron.com. We're happy to share this information with you and to have any joint application. You may have seen that we have quite a lot of various applications in the 5G with installations not only in Europe, but also in the US, so a worldwide application. And every country has its own regulations, but we've gone deep into these to solve the issues and to make an easy installation of a mobile private network based on our technologies, including also the installation, the service, and the support, which we are doing locally. Said this, I'm going to thank you very much for listening to us on this Monday morning. As usual, this Cappuccino with Kontron webinar for customers is going to be hosted at the last Monday of the month. So we will have also the last Monday in April one, where we're going to have our CEO giving us an overview about the numbers that we have released last week on 2024 and the outcome of 2025. Said this, I wish you a very nice day, a good week, and hear you soon. And thanks very much, Patrick, for holding this very interesting presentation.
Thank you.